Hi guys, how are you? Mine this one Titanium, founder of Investing MMT and the co-founder of Pure MMT for the 100% Beyond Domains, along with my friend Edward Delzio, the author of The National Debit, a book that everybody must have if you want to understand how the monetary system works, how macroeconomics works, how MMT works, and is applied into the real world. It's a must-have book. I also run a Patreon page for $5 a month, and that's mostly to keep the trolls out, okay? Where I teach people how to apply MMT into the real world and how to use that information to invest with. In this video, I'm excited to announce that we're going to be launching a new service, a 401k example. We're just going to use a normal Investopedia account that anybody can just follow along. I think there's not enough education out there for people to know how to run their own 401k portfolio. And what we're going to show in this portfolio is how you should manage it, how you should, generally speaking, okay? I'm not telling you, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? But Edward and I are going to run this portfolio and basically give you an idea of how you should run your portfolio. Now, everybody says buy low, sell high, okay? But it's not really that simple. You would think we're crazy to start a 401k portfolio when the market is at all-time highs. And here's the S&P, just to give you an example. Like, why would anybody in their right mind come in here at all-time highs and start a portfolio when there's a likelihood there's going to be a pullback in the market? Okay, and the point of the whole 401k example is to teach you how to deal with adversity, not when things are going great. Okay, so most people that fly airplanes, they're not afraid of flying because they think the airplane is going to crash. What they fear is the lack of control, the lack of understanding of what's going on. So if you don't have a good understanding of how macroeconomics works, how MMT works in the real world, and you don't have the knowledge to understand investing, then you are going to more likely than not panic when the market sells off. Okay? And the reason you're going to is because you're going to lack the control of what the market is doing. You're going to lack the knowledge of why you should be buying now and not selling. All right? And that's what we want to teach here. We want to explain to you why you should hold, why you should add. And don't think that this is going to be some service that we're buying here, we're selling here, and so on. That's not the point of it. Okay? The point of it is to teach you real economics, evidence-based economics that applies in the real world, and to set your expectations. And your expectations should always be that the market is going to come back 20, 30%, 40%, whatever it does. But in the end, in this long-term investment, you will make money. So Edward and I are going to work together, and we're going to try to explain to you, try to teach you how to deal with turbulent waters, and hopefully you're going to gain the knowledge that you will be able to go off and do whatever it is that you want to do with your portfolio. And again, we're not advising anybody to buy what we're buying, but just to give you an idea of how you should be thinking, what are your expectations, how to deal with adversity, and then you can go off and make your own decision with that knowledge. Now, most people think that Warren Buffett is Warren Buffett because he guesses, that he can guess better than everybody else, and therefore he is successful. That's not the way it works. Okay? Investing is not about guessing better than the next guy and being rich. That's not the point of it. The point of it is to have good foundation, good knowledge, and understanding as to what the macroeconomy is doing, why it's doing it, okay, and what you should expect from the markets, and what you should expect from your portfolio, and not panic when you should be, calm, cool, and collective, and really have a deep understanding as to what is going on. As you can see in this chart, anybody that bought in here and did not panic and was cool, calm, and collective got rewarded. The same thing happened in 2008. Okay, they all got rewarded. So how do these people know not to panic? Okay, and that's what we're going to focus on. So if that's something you're interested in, come down to Patreon. It's $5 a month. Join us. You will get a lot of knowledge, a lot of understanding, and I think it's going to be good for everybody. Share it with your friends. Bring them along. It's $5 a month. It's uh, peanuts, really. But again, I only charge $5 only to keep the trolls out, and that's the point of it. Along with the new service of the 401k example, we also do charting, bare knuckle charting, how to read charts, just looking at price, how to do forex trading, how to do CFD trading, how to use leverage, and so on. So if that's not something that you're interested in, it's not. You don't have to worry about it. If 401k investing and trading doesn't apply to you, it doesn't matter. Come on down. And the reason is because you will get a deeper understanding of how the monetary system works and how it applies into the real world. And we do everything in real time, so it's not something where I'm going to tell you a cute story after the fact why something happened. Anybody can tell me what the Eagles game did last Sunday and why they scored and why they lost and why whatever. Okay, but but that's after the fact. What we do is in real time, and we look into the future. So nothing that we say to you, you cannot go out and verify for yourself. Okay, it's evidence-based economics that everybody should understand. So again, come on down to Patreon. This is the link right here, patreon.com, and mine this one. Join us for free on IMMT, and join us at the Pure MMT for the 100%. Highly advisable that you buy the National Debit, a very good book that will set the foundation as to what we do here. The point is to teach everybody how to understand macroeconomics and MMT and how it applies in the real world. We're not going to tell you, hey, it's all profits, you're going to be rich, you're going to be like Buffett, come on down, we have the secret ingredient. That's not what we do. Okay, we're serious about what we do here. We're not gimmicky and marketing and trying to get you $5. Okay, so come on down, join us, and we'll be happy to teach you everything we know. And the way it basically works is you'll come down, you'll join up, you can see all our past videos. I have a few videos where I start to build an economy from scratch, from nothing, to teach you how it all fits together. And then you can come on to my Facebook Messenger, where we all get together and I talk about the markets on a daily basis, while the market is open, while it's closed, at various times of the day, and we talk about the economy, we talk about the markets, and anybody has any questions, I answer them in real time. So yeah, come on down. I think you're going to find it very useful and well worth your $5. Okay, thank you. Happy New Year. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.